दोस्तों, आज के इस वीडियो में अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशंस में लेके चलते हैं। आइए आप हमारे इस वीडियो का आनंद उठाइए। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वांट टू टेल यू दैट बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ दिस चैप्टर, सो लेट अस एंजॉय दिस वीडियो। यस, फर्स्ट वन इज रिवीजन, that is the previous classes. Variables, what do you mean by variable? A symbol which can be assigned different numerical values is known as variables, and variables are generally denoted by x, y, z, p, q, r, s, etc. And here you can say that. Now next thing is constant. What do you mean by constant? A symbol having a fixed value is called a constant. For example, 5, 2, 7, 11, A, B, C, etc. These all are known as constant. Now moving for next things, you can say here is the example of a algebraic expression. So here is x raised to the power 4 plus x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 1, and here you can say that color things is number, and this one is the separate from the variable, so this one is known as constant, but the number 2 is known as coefficient, because this is just with the variable, and the number with the variable is known as coefficient. Okay dear, now enjoy this video and moving for next things. So dear, here is the next thing is, you can see, yes, moving for next. Now, algebraic expression. What do you mean by algebraic expression? Yes, a combination of constant and variables connected by some or all the basic operations, that is plus, minus, multiplication and division, is called algebraic expression. Yes, तो जो भी आपके वेरिएबल और कांस्टेंट का कॉम्बिनेशन होगा, अगर वो कॉम्बिनेशन मैथमेटिकल बेसिक ऑपरेशंस जो प्लस माइनस डिवीजन और मल्टीप्लिकेशन होते हैं, इससे अगर वो कनेक्टेड हैं तो वो सभी एक्सप्रेशंस अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशंस होंगे। फॉर एग्जांपल यू कैन से हियर दिस इज द एग्जांपल फॉर algebraic expression. So first one is 2x square minus 8x plus 6, this is the algebraic expression, and second one is 2x minus 3, and third one is ax square plus bx plus c, this is algebraic expression. Now dear, terms, what do you mean by term? Various part of an algebraic expression separated by plus and minus operations are called terms. Clear? कोई भी जो पार्ट होता है अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन में, अगर वो प्लस और माइनस के साइन के साथ अलग अलग हो जा रहा है तो वो सभी टर्म्स होंगी। फॉर एग्जाम्पल हियर 9x क्यूब प्लस 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 8x प्लस 6 हैव 4 टर्म्स। व्हाई? बिकॉज 9x क्यूब you can see here 9x cube, this is separated by the plus sign, so this is the first term. After that 2x square, this is separated by another sign, that is minus, so this is the second term, and 8x, this is separated by another plus sign, so this is the third term, and after the last one is 6, that is constant term, so there are 4 terms in this algebraic expression. Okay dear, so now moving for next, this is the next thing, polynomial. What do you mean by polynomial? An algebraic expression in which the variables involved have non-negative integral powers is called a polynomial. तो इस चीज को याद रखेंगे, कोई भी पॉलिनोमियल होगा उस पे जो पावर होंगी, जो डिग्री होगी, वो नेगेटिव नहीं हो सकती। अगर वो नेगेटिव है देन दैट इज नॉट ए पॉलिनोमियल। फॉर एग्जांपल Polynomial is denoted by px, qx, rx and gx etc. पॉलिनोमियल को हमेशा इस सिंबल से डिनोट किया जाता है। तो चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। पॉलिनोमियल इज ए एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन। So now this is the example of an algebraic expression, that is polynomial having term 5 and having degree 4. So x raised to the power of 4 plus x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 1. So this is the algebraic expression, and now name of this algebraic expression is polynomial. Now we are moving for next. After that, this basic concept, enjoy the video. So now degree of the polynomial, if anybody want to know about the degree of the polynomial, then you can say that easily the highest power of the variable is called the degree of the polynomial. So in this example, 7x raised to the power 6 plus 3x raised to the power of 5 and minus x raised to the power of 4 plus x cube minus 2x raised to the power of 9 plus x plus 17. And you can say that here is a variable x, and having the highest power is 9, which you see in the color green color. So this is the degree of this polynomial. Here the highest power is 9, so this is the degree of this polynomial. So now dear, moving for next thing. Yes, now types of polynomial, and this is types of algebraic expression. Yes, one on the basis of its term. तो जो आपकी पॉलिनोमियल्स होते हैं, जो आपके एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशंस होते हैं, वो 2 टाइप्स के होते हैं। तो फर्स्ट टाइप है ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ इट्स टर्म, टर्म के आधार पर इसे डिवाइड किया गया है। नंबर 1 मोनोमियल। मोनोमियल क्या होता है? ए पॉलिनोमियल ऑफ वन टर्म इज कॉल्ड ए मोनोमियल। एक एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन जिसमें केवल सिंगल टर्म होगा, उसको आप क्या बोलेंगे? मोनोमियल। And this is the example: 3x raised to the power of 5, x raised to the power of 4, 7x cube, 2x, 71. This is the constant term, but this is known as monomial, etc. Now binomial, what do you mean by binomial? A polynomial of 2 terms is called binomial. ऐसा polynomial, ऐसा algebraic expression जिसमें 2 terms हों, तो उसको आप क्या बोलेंगे? binomial. Here you can see that in the first example, 2x cube plus x raised to the power of 4. How many terms? 2. So this is the binomial. And next is 7x cube minus 2x. So how many terms? Yes, here is the 2 term. So this is the binomial. And after that, 5x plus 21. So this is again binomial because this containing 2 terms. Okay dear. Now next things is, after that monomial and binomial with the example, moving for next things is trinomial. Yes, so what do you mean by trinomial? Yes, here is the next thing. Trinomial, a polynomial of 3 terms is called a trinomial. एक ऐसा एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन जिसमें 3 टर्म्स होते हैं, तो उसको आप क्या कहेंगे? ट्राइनोमियल. यू कैन सी दैट दिस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ ट्राइनोमियल. So here is 3 terms, that's 2x square plus x cube plus 1. This is the trinomial because containing 3 terms. And 7x cube, this is the one term. 2x, this is the second term. Minus 7, this is the third term. So this is also a trinomial. And similarly, you can see that example number 3, etc. These are all the example of trinomial. Now the second things is just based on its degree. जो अगला पॉलिनोमियल है, जो अगला एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन है, वो आपका डिग्री के बेस पर भी डिसाइड होता है. सो हियर इज यू कैन से दैट लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल मीन्स एन एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन which have degree 1. A polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. So here this is the linear algebraic expression because the variable containing only degree 1. So this is the linear algebraic expression. Now next thing is quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial because you can say that in this example the variable have degree 2. So this is the quadratic polynomial, that is quadratic algebraic expression. Okay. Now moving for next things that here is two things. One is linear, second one is quadratic, and third one is cubic. Yes, you enjoy the video, and this is the cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. For example, here is the highest degree in this algebraic expression is 3. So this algebraic expression have degree 3, that is known as cubic polynomial and cubic algebraic expression. And here in the second example you can see that here is the highest degree is 3. As that is 7x cube plus 2x minus 7. So this polynomial is also known as the cubic polynomial, that is the cubic algebraic expression. And similarly for the example number 3rd. So these are the algebraic expressions. So friends, तो दोस्तों हमारा ये वीडियो अंत तक देखने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, हृदय से धन्यवाद।